Hi, welcome to another video. My name's Adam and this is Just One More Hill. Okay, today's video is going to be about Ride to the Sun. This is a yearly event. This is the 5th year it's been run. My 3rd year for doing it. It's a ride which goes from Carlisle in Cumbria all the way up to Cramond Beach just north of Edinburgh. With the aim of getting there for around sunrise, which tomorrow morning is about 4:30, there or thereabouts. This, as I said, is my 3rd time doing the ride. The atmosphere is incredible. It's a brilliant ride. It's a free to enter, self-supported ride, which is about 100 miles. And I just want to show you with this video my bike and what I'll be using, and then hopefully in the next video will be some footage of the ride. Okay, here's my bike. This is an Argon 18 Krypton CS. I've had this bike for just over a year now. The setup I'm using for tonight's ride, I'm utilising the screw bosses on the top tube, and I have the X-Lab Stealth Pocket fitted on there. That's just going to have gels and a bit of flapjack in. I have a seat pack, that's just really my spares. I'm running tubeless, but I do carry a spare tube just in case. Lights at the back, I have the Cyclic Fly 6, and above that I have the C-Sense Ace. And then down on the stays I have 2 Alpkit Tau lights. These are really bright lights, really small. Very impressed with those. I'll be running with 2 water bottles. On the front I have 2 Cat-Eye Volt 800s. I was looking for a spare battery and found someone selling a full light, still boxed, and it worked out cheaper than buying a spare battery, so hence the reason I have 2. And just below I have another, that's the front C-Sense Ace, and another Alpkit Tau. Sorry about the mess. Okay, so there we are. That's my bike for the ride to the sun, and hopefully the next video will be of some of the ride. I'm going to see if I can get a couple of hours sleep now and then set off to Carlisle. We actually travelled up to Cramond yesterday and we left a vehicle up there, and then there's a group of us going up, and one of us has to drive back down. It was my turn last year, so I get out of that. But, we'll see you on the road. Bye for now. Okay, this is a little add-on to the end of the video. It's now Sunday the 23rd of June. The ride went really well. Just over 102 miles and 6 hours 11 minutes riding time. Really a good night out. I hoped before I did the ride I would get some sleep. Tried, didn't work. In the end, by the time I got home, I'd been on the go for about 26 hours. Got to bed, and after about 3 hours my dog decided it was time I should be up and doing, so kind of tired at the moment. Hopefully I'll catch up on some sleep soon. Just wanted to add a little bit about the lights that I used on the bike. The Cyclic Fly 6 was brilliant. It lasted for about 4 hours of recording time, so recording in high definition and having a light for 4 hours, and the light continued to work for about another hour and a half. The C-Sense didn't miss a beat. It was brilliant. It still has plenty of charge in it, both front and rear, as did the Alpkit Tau on the front. That was just about dead when I got to Edinburgh. The Cat Eye Volt, that lasted the ride, obviously for when I needed it. Having the spare one was backup. I could have done without it, but better safe than sorry. So light-wise, it's always best to have extra. The two Tau on the back never got switched on. They were there as a backup. There was quite a few people on the ride whose lights seemed to have failed. Luckily they had rear lights, which, you know, in my opinion is very important because of you getting cars coming at you from behind. The front lights, yes, you need to be seen. Once you were in Edinburgh, just having a small flashing light was adequate. But yeah, it really, having a backup light definitely helps. The ride, as I said, was excellent. Anybody thinking about doing it, give it a go. Check out my other video just to see the footage that I took, and see you another time. Bye for now.